Hey, I appreciate you.
No problem. I just wanted to reiterate on what I put up there because the reason I asked about Trump suing to overturn the impeachment in the Supreme Court is because I came across a really interesting article that kind of brought up the Nixon situation. I'm going to see if I can bring it up again. But basically, in the article, it was saying that the Supreme Court could actually extend Trump's term by up to 3 years if he's acquitted in the Senate.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And
okay.
And they were going on to explain that in 1974, Nixon faced impeachment, and the Republican Congress passed a law that would allow his term to be extended if he was acquitted. And the law was specific to Nixon, and it was set to expire in like 5 years. But Nixon resigned before they could do anything. And the removal of the law, therefore, it never happened. So, according to the legal analysts and constitutional scholars, the fact that the law exists at all sets a precedent. So it could very well be that he can go to the Supreme Court, he can sue to have the impeachment overturned, and he can add an additional 3 years because the law is still on the books. Right now, the Democrats are desperately trying to get that law overturned before this goes over into the Senate.
Wow. See, I didn't even know that. See, now, this right here just shows poor planning on their part. They should have talked about that law a long time ago when they were talking about impeachment back when Trump just got into office. They should have thought, okay, what law could get in the way of what we're trying to do? They should have thought about that back then, but now it's too late. So they might have just made themselves, worse off. They might have given them more time rather than getting them out early.
Exactly. So now they're scrambling.
Okay, now please send that to me too. Send that to me, please.